Alright guys, so these are the drop-in filters that I will be using. These are from Burger Motorsport. They're for the S58, so I believe these work for the X3M, X4M, and other S58 platforms. Alright, so here it is. It is just a nice blue colored filter. I believe it is oiled, if I'm correct. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna put these in here in the OEM air intake boxes. I believe it's just some T25s here that we have to remove, and then there's also a charcoal filter in here, as well as a normal, you know, paper air filter. We're gonna go ahead and remove both of those, and I'll show you guys how. Pretty simple, honestly. I don't think you guys need a tutorial or anything like that, but I'll show you guys a difference in sound once they are installed. To be honest, I don't think they'll add any power, at least noticeable power, but mine are due pretty soon to change, so I'm gonna throw those in, and hopefully the air is a little better without the charcoal filter and those cheap paper filters. I'm actually wondering if the sound difference will actually be different, to be honest, but we'll see. I think since I do have this Alpha N hood here, I believe it will actually be a little bit more noticeable, the sound difference, but I may be wrong. Even with the stock, you know, paper filters, I did see a difference in the sound, the spooling, and when I let off and stuff like that with the Alpha N hood. But since it has the holes, of course, in the hood, I feel like we'll probably see a little difference with these BMS filters. But enough of me talking, guys. I'm gonna get these installed. All right, so I got these taken off here. Here's the difference. You can't see through this at all if you hold it up to light, but this one you definitely can. So yeah, it's definitely gonna be less restrictive. I also got the charcoal filters removed here. For these, you can just take them out like I did, or you could, if you want to remove all the plastic holding it, as you can see right here, all this plastic, they're actually plastic welded, it looks like, up here. If you see that little circle there, and about 5 spots or so, you can remove that, but I'm gonna leave it like this. I'll probably remove it later on, but I think the air will definitely be able to move through there a lot better now having those charcoal filters removed. All right guys, so I got the filters installed. This one's in here snug, and this one as well as the charcoal filters removed from the top of the intake air boxes. So we're gonna put this back together, and then I'm gonna show you guys some sound clips.